Greetings, class, and welcome to Marketing 1160 Professional Selling Spring Semester. I am your instructor, Mrs. Caldwell, and I wanted to take you through some of my course policies as well as some information in Blackboard to help you get better acclimated to Blackboard. First of all, the first screen you'll see is your announcement screen. Be sure to check here at least once or twice a week. I do post at minimum weekly announcements that kind of tells you what's going on that week. So make sure you read through that thoroughly. And so you will know the happenings for the week. The next thing you want to make sure that you take a look at is your syllabus and no-show assignment link. Now, you should be working on your no-show assignment this week as it is due by Sunday at midnight to remain registered for the class. So what you want to do here is click onto the no-show participation assignment, watch the video, and then you will complete the quiz. And the quiz is not graded. So it is not a graded assignment. However, you do need to complete the assignment to get credit for remaining in the class, to be able to remain in the class. There's also a work ethics assignment that you need to complete as well. Now, your course syllabus is your contract for the class. It's a very important document. So I want to go through a few things on the syllabus with you that require a little attention on your part. So, the first thing is this gives you a general description of the class. Here you will find my instructing information. I am not in the building, so I do have virtual office hours only. This is your textbook requirement. If you choose to use another edition of the textbook, you are responsible for finding the content in your book, but we are using the 13th edition. In addition, these are some course competencies in your student learning outcomes, which you can read through. They are important as well. Again, your no-show assignment is due by midnight, January 17th, so you will not be dropped from the course. So this is pretty important right here. These are my course policies. You can see what the final grade for the course is based on, as well as some kind of guidelines. All homework assignments must meet minimum word count parameters and must be done independently. Use your own words. 2 tests are scheduled, and this tells you what they will cover. And a test taken late will have significant points deducted, and it is at my discretion to allow retakes of tests. The major project for this course is a sales presentation. So it's going to include a typed report and a sales script plus a live sales presentation that you will record via video. So you will create the report throughout the semester. That's what your assignments are based on. And then draft a 6 to 8 minute business-to-business sales presentation. So the report and script represent 80% of the project score. And then the other 20% is your video presentation. So it's very important that you start thinking now about what product you want to use for your sales presentation. And we'll be talking more about that in the coming days. Course grading, you can see that 20% of your grade in the class is based on assignments, 20% is on your sales presentation project, 40% is tests, and 20% is your final exam, which is also your proctored event. Now, your proctored event will be held on Tuesday, April 27th between 9 and 7 p.m. via Respondus and Blackboard. This information here will tell you about about Respondus, and you can also look at this short video to get acclimated with it. You will need a webcam. Again, you will need a webcam for your proctored event. It will be held online and not on campus. This is your course calendar. You want to ensure that you remain familiar with the course calendar. This tells you everything that's due every week. Okay, so it's very important that you become acquainted with your course calendar. Okay. Going back to Blackboard. Next, I want to talk about my contact information. This is where you'll find information on me, how to reach out to me, and a little bit about me. So feel free to go to Instructor Contact to get my information. Course information. This is where you will find this video. This video will be located under your instructor video, and this is information about the proctored event. Course content is where you go to complete your assignments. So you click on the module, for instance, Module 1, it will tell you your assignments. Okay, please note that if you have any tests, that they will only be visible when the tests are open, which is going to be Monday to Sunday of that week, that particular week. So right now only modules 1 and 2 are open, so you can see those. But it's very important. It is a lot of reading, but it is important. This information is related to a lot of it to your sales presentation and to selling in general. And as you can see, this is your discussion board assignment. Also on your discussion boards, they are post first, so you do need to post first on your discussion board assignments. So you want to post by Wednesday, and then you want to reply to your classmate by Sunday of that week. Make sure that your replies in your posts contain good information, good, well thought out, grammatically correct information. When you're replying to a classmate, don't just say, I agree, or, that sounds great. You want to really expound so we can have some robust conversations. Also, if you do not respond by Wednesday, the week that it is due, on a discussion board, you will lose 10 points. And in addition, if you do not respond to a classmate, you will lose 20 points. So please, make sure you get all the points that you can by simply responding in a timely manner. And the reason why you need to respond to discussion boards is because, there's always one student that's going to typically respond early, and then they have no one to reply to, and it's a little unfair. So I also want to make sure that we all are able to engage with each other and, again, have some good conversations. Next, I want you to look at this material right here. These are course messages and email. These are ways to contact me. My grades is where you will see, your grade information. And then virtual office is where if we discuss meeting for a virtual office session, this is where we will come. Okay, if we are meeting virtually via an office session, not by phone, but virtually, we'll come here. So if you have any technical issues, please contact Blackboard support. If you have any questions on content or assignments, please reach out to me. And I look forward to a amazing semester with each of you and to getting to know each of you. So that is all. Have a great day.